Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the app is updated and you have the conversation open. This prevents hidden bugs. Next, locate the specific voice message and tap it once to show playback controls. You'll see play, pause, and sometimes a speed indicator. If not visible, long press or tap the three-dot menu. Once done, pause to note the current speed. That gives you a baseline so you can judge changes accurately as you adjust playback rate. You now change the playback speed using the visible indicator or the message menu. Tap through 0, 5x, 1x, 1, 5x, 2x to compare. Choose slower if words blur, faster if you need time savings. Make sure to listen to a 5-10 second segment after each change so you can judge comprehension versus speed. If you use accessibility settings, adjust there and return to Messenger. These system controls can Once you settle on a comfortable speed, play another voice note to confirm consistency across messages. If Messenger refuses to change speed, force close the app and reopen it. That often clears temporary state. If the problem persists, clear the app cache or reinstall Messenger to reset corrupted settings. One key troubleshooting tip: make sure system-level audio or accessibility features aren't forcing a playback rate. Disable those briefly to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.